Pretty chilly here the last couple of days. Temperatures yesterday didn't quite get to 20 in much of the area. We did officially reach 20 at the airport in Rochester, but boy, we struggled to get there, and we had those wind chill values around zero much of the day. We had some sun though, and that was really key in that afternoon. Made for a really nice day. The winds by late afternoon had really begun to drop off. That made for an even better Tuesday. Here's a picture from just outside of Rochester on the north part of Olmsted County. Gary Heft sent to this picture. Beautiful sunset near a farm and some trees and blue skies and bright colors overhead. And we're going to see something similar later today. Right now there are some clouds overhead, and those will slowly erode through the course of the late morning into the afternoon hours. We'll have enough cloud cover around at least for the next couple hours to keep temperatures from dropping a great deal. So we start out above zero, but basically hold steady here for the next few hours. Right now looking live outside with our Lewiston auto camera from the weather patio here at the studio. 8 degrees of temperature right now. It feels like 1 below. The wind's only 5 miles per hour. This time yesterday, those winds are around 17 miles per hour. It is a whole lot more comfortable outside, so to speak, anyway, than it was yesterday. 8 degrees rather at the airport in Rochester, 10 in Austin, 10 in Charles City, and Winona also double digits at 10 degrees. Winds 7 miles per hour. It feels like 3 below in Rochester officially at the airport. Air pressure still rising, rapidly rising as high pressure draws closer to the area, 30.41 inches of mercury, and that will eventually really scour out those clouds and bring abundant sunshine for the next couple of days. This afternoon and tomorrow looking especially bright and cheery as high pressure comes in out of the north. Makes for a quiet situation, less wind and more sun. Now, not necessarily warm weather. It's going to be cold sunshine. Temperatures today even colder than yesterday. In fact, these will likely be the coldest high temperatures of the week. We go from the single digits this morning to teens for highs this afternoon. Tomorrow, maybe even colder to start before we start a bit of a warm up. And then we'll start seeing something a little warmer heading into the latter part of the week and eventually the weekend itself. But 7 degrees for that morning commute. Some stratus clouds still overhead, some breaks of sunshine at times through the morning hours. Kind of a light north breeze keeps that wind chill right around zero, though, 7 the temperature. The light to nearly calm winds throughout the days, increasing sunshine going into the afternoon. High temperature around 16, sunset at 5:14 this afternoon. So 16 the high today with clearing skies tonight. Light winds are a really good setup for a very cold night, right around zero, if not maybe below zero. In the overnight hours, the wind chill levels slightly below zero to start the day, improve a little bit, but still we're talking single digits at best today. Thankfully, not a lot of wind to speak of, just a cold, quiet day. Future track, some stratus clouds around the area, more and more of that sunshine breaking through for the afternoon hours. That the light north wind around 7 or 8 miles per hour. Tonight, clear skies with just a couple of passing clouds here and there. Overnight lows maybe a degree or two below zero. And then tomorrow, more of a southerly breeze. We'll have increasing cloud cover from the west by evening tomorrow, but a bright, cheery day, though. The temperatures tomorrow approaching 20. 24 to be the climate average. You're not going to quite get there. We're a little closer than today. And extra clouds hold on through Friday as a storm system for the west gets a bit closer. And eventually that system pulls in a chance of snow for us by the time we get into Saturday afternoon and into Sunday. Also some warmer air with that upcoming system. Temperatures look a little better. And even in the next week, heading into February, those temperatures are a little more seasonable with 20s instead of these teens. Look for highs today around 16 in Rochester, 19 in Mason City, 14 in Owatonna, partly sunny skies, few clouds early, then increasing sun this afternoon. North winds on the light side. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, a light northwest wind, a degree below zero. And your 7-day forecasts, not as many negatives in the coming days. We'll have teens, then 20s, and then 30s, at least a shot at 30 with a chance of snow. Right now, a minor to moderate snowfall accumulations possible for the middle of the weekend, Saturday afternoon into early Sunday morning.
The sun always helps on cold days, Ted.
It does, and especially if you have the sun and light winds, it makes up for a lot. It should be a pretty decent day.